Hi, Ms. Yeager here. Just wanted to show you real quick when you open up the pixel art activity from today, you'll see the directions are here. Setting the view to 50% is the best way to do that. So over here where it says 100, you would want to set that to 50 so you have a better view. And then down here there's a second tab that says converting FDP. That means fractions, decimals, percent. So you want to click on that, and then your problems will be right here. So you can say, okay, write each decimal as a percent. If necessary, round to the nearest thousands place. So you are going to turn 25 thousandths into a percent. You're going to type your answer there. If your answer is correct, you're going to see colors pop up in the screen over here. If your answer is incorrect, there will be no colors and you're going to want to try your answer again. So hopefully that makes sense. If you are still having issues, go ahead and send me an email.